friends, and welcome back to my channel Ripples on Road. Early morning, 7:30. We are leaving to Muvattupuzha, that is near Cochin, Ernakulam, and it will take about 3 hours. And Vijit is our friend here. Hi Vijit. Good morning. We are going to Muvattupuzha. Let me show you early morning how it looks in Palakkad. Traffic on the road. Till now there was no much traffic. We were going at the speed of 80, 90, 80, 90. But now you can see this traffic now. Lot of trucks. So we have crossed Thrissur and now we are on the way to Ernakulam. If we go straight, we will reach Ernakulam. Vehicle with a flag is going to Sabrimala. So it has come from Karnataka. It's another state, and people go for a pilgrimage to Sabrimala. Here you can see most of the vehicles here. They are all going to Sabrimala. Here on your left is Pota. Pota also is a pilgrimage. It's a pilgrim center for the Christians. So people all over India, they come to this place called Pota. There is a church on your left here. So whether you can see the church. People, they come to this church here. Very famous. It's a retreat center over there. And this place is called Pota. So this is the hotel where we'll be having our breakfast, and before that so here we can put some food in our car also, that is petrol. We filled petrol, and here the rate is 107.95. That is as good as 108 rupees. So it's expensive. It's about 2 rupees more than Mumbai. And now we'll be going to this hotel here for breakfast. This is the hotel here, Hotel Arya Veg. Here I saw something special, 5 taste Uttapam. Nice restaurant. Looks very clean. It's air conditioned. It's air conditioned one. Nice. Place has a very good location. That's the highway, and it's just next to the highway. And here you can sit and view the beautiful view of the coconut trees and all this. In Kerala, whenever you go to any restaurant, what they do is they give hot water. And you have to ask, now you see this is hot water. You can see the steam coming. So they give you hot water. You have to ask for normal water or you take a bottled water. They have ordered sambar, one chutney, different types of chutney, 3 chutney, idli and vada. This is the coffee, and see here, a cone-shaped dosa. What's inside this is medu vada, chutney and sambar. And it's a cone-shaped like this. So Vijit, how is the food? Nice food? Vijit is enjoying. This is same masala dosa, but mine is crispy. His is not that crispy. So here mine is masala dosa, chutney, one vada also, and inside this you have the masala. Let me show you the masala. Yeah, here is the masala. Coffee. Less sugar. A paper. So he is asking me coffee. I said yes. You give it now, less sugar. So let me enjoy this. So the total amount has come to 603. See what all we took. Masala roast 2, ghee roast 1, roast 2, and then vada 5, idli 2, coffee 5. Total 603 rupees. It's really cheap. Now we are moving. It's our car here. Vijit is ready to go. We traveled about 93 kilometers, and it took 2 hours for us to reach here. Still we were going at an average speed of about 80 to 90. Still it took 2 hours for 93 kilometers. And now we have to still travel about, let me check it out, to travel about 45 kilometers. And it's about, it will take about 1 hour 15 minutes because now we'll get traffic. So still we have to travel 45 kilometers. And we are waiting for others to come. We are again starting our trip. So we are back on the highway. Now, so here it is 45. You can see it's not written. Cochin, 38 kilometers. And this is little away from Cochin, so it's 45 kilometers. I forgot to tell one thing, that this is the highway. I've been on a motorcycle from Mumbai to Kerala. So this is the highway. Then we took a right from here. Very close to Cochin, we took a right, but we were riding on this highway. We were 5 of us, and my motorcycle was the oldest one. Now here, if you go right, you will go to Cochin. If you go right, you will go to Cochin. Now we are taking a left turn. So here, right, Cochin and airport, left, Kaladi. This is a hospital, Little Flower, very big hospital. Mother Teresa block. So this is Angamali. So if you you go on the right, you can go to airport, Cochin airport. So great philosopher was born here in 8th century. And this is the private bus stand here on your right. Lot of traffic now. The biggest river in Kerala, one of the biggest. There are two big rivers, Pamba and Periyar. So this is Periyar. Periyar, the name is from a person. His name was Periyar. He was from Tamil Nadu. And this is the river. On the right side is the bridge. That is the railway bridge. So this is Periyar river. This is Muvattupuzha. It's a big church over there. Let me show you how it looks. See that? Like a Russian church. And this is Muvattupuzha. Very busy area. Right.
Right?
Yes. Straight. Can you see the rubber plantation up?
Pineapple.
Yeah, pineapple. Oh, this is pineapple here down. And rubber estate means all are rich here. Most of the people, they must be very rich. See the houses here. So I'll show you some very good houses here. Beautiful they look. The rubber plantation. It's all rubber plantation here. So much greenery, you won't see any state in India except in Kerala. On your right also, this are all rubber plantation. It's all rubber plantation here. What a place, this is so beautiful. See the road also. The roads are good, place is good, beautiful houses, so many trees, some good houses, full of rubber plantation. This is betel nuts. There are long trees there called betel nuts. A very old house here. Some banana plantation on your left. This is pineapple here down. Stopped here just to see this pineapple plantation, and there is a aqueduct. This is a small town and there is an aqueduct. The aqueduct is running here. I will show you after we finish the convention. I'll just show you the aqueduct. So aqueducts are the ducts, they supply water. It's called canals. They supply water to the paddy fields and plantations. They were built by the British. Aqueduct is a canal actually on the bridge, and they supply water to the paddy fields, plantations. They were all built by the British. So we are here now. I'll just show you the aqueduct later on. See this, friends. See the beauty. This house and the surroundings. And there are pineapples over there. And on the right side is a canal. And this was, those days they say it was built by the British. And these tall trees are arak nut, that is betel nut. So much beauty you won't see in any other state. See the greenery. This is complete banana plantation here. And there's a canal just next to the road that supplies water. How far it is? See this house now. There's a house inside. One more house here. Most of the people who are from Kerala, they work in Gulf. And we are going to this convention center here. It's called Jacobs Convention Center. So Jacobs Convention Center. We are here for an engagement. The place we have come for an engagement. Brought us safely and see the surroundings here. Beautiful surroundings.